In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add no card to no pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By using the no pay app, you will be able to digitalize and use your no card. You can get a new one altogether or add a pre-existing card that you have. So open the no pay app. Inside, the very first thing that you will see are your personal no cards. If you have never used the app before, you will see the option to get your no card. So tap this button and you will see the four main options. So you can apply for a new no card, you can personalize your existing one, and then the relevant options for this video. Purchase digital no card and digitalize a physical card. So I'm going to be talking about both of these options. The first one will allow you to purchase a digital card fresh, so if you don't have an existing card and you simply want to acquire one, or you can digitalize a pre-existing physical one. Only one digital card can be issued for each account, so keep that in mind. You won't be able to have multiple digital cards. You will also see the option at the bottom to link a personal one. When you tap either of those, they are going to guide you through the process. So if you are going to be digitalizing a physical no card, they are going to ask you to place it at the back of your phone. Most likely, it will need to have NFC capabilities enabled in order to communicate with the card wirelessly. So after you tap the option to digitalize a physical card, they are going to give you this message here. Enjoy the digital no card service. Just tap your mobile device on the card reader. So now you don't need to use your card. You physically place your phone near the card reader, and as long as it has NFC capabilities enabled, it is going to be used to issue that payment. After this is done, the card is going to be added, and you can manage it by choosing the check card info option. You can do top-ups, you can use the card to pay, you can see the information, and it is extremely simple to manage. Just go into the app and choose either of these options. If you choose to purchase a new digital no card, they will once again guide you through the process. You will add balance, and it is going to appear under your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to add no card to no pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.